My name is Mehak and I'm in my first year of fashion designing at NIFT South Bombay. I'm currently in my second semester and I have been extremely elated with my experience here so far. Let me walk you through some of the things that really stood out for me. Like other design schools that only promise to creatively nurture you, this one also makes you independent. It gives you a career. I'd like to quote Einstein here, who said that if you cannot explain something simply, you did not understand it at all, which forms the ethos of the learning experience of INIFT South Bombay. They instill and drill in you the foundational concepts so much that you can have a personal relationship with fashion designing. Personally, really enjoy embroidery because it's a very tactile skill. You're working on a garment, you spend your evenings, your nights doing that. And what ends up happening is that you build a relationship with fabric ornamentation, which instills in you a lens of looking at a plain piece of garment and pulling it in a myriad of ways according to your creative direction, which is, I would say, a priceless skill. Then there's design process. And the example I would like to give for it is that if you're feeling a really strong emotion during any transitory experience in your life, you can literally use that and illustrate an entire collection out of it. And when you sell it, your wearers, your clients, becomes a chord between the two of you. And it's a format of storytelling which is lost in today's day and age. For all of these reasons and a lot more, I have thoroughly enjoyed my experience here in INIFT Soho. I would also like to add the fact that business strategies, making you business savvy, allowing you to navigate the competitive waters of fashion designing as an industry is also something that is balanced alongside all of these other myriad of skills. Thank you.